In section 11.5, we're going to talk about rhombuses, rectangles, and squares. So a rhombus is just a parallelogram with 4 congruent sides. A rectangle is a parallelogram with 4 right angles. And a square is the combination of the two, so it's a parallelogram with 4 congruent sides and 4 right angles. So it's really just a blend of a rhombus and a rectangle. Some other rhombus properties is that the diagonals are perpendicular to one another, and also diagonals bisect opposite angles, so they cut those angles in half. Other rectangle properties, the diagonals are congruent, so they're not perpendicular, they're just equal in length. And let's look at an example problem here. In rectangle RSBF, SF is equal to 2x plus 15, and RB is equal to 5x minus 12. And using that information, I want to figure out what's the length of one of the diagonals. I see that it's a rectangle, so I know that the diagonals are congruent. SF and RB are the diagonals, so I'm just going to set them equal to each other. From here, it's just an algebra problem, so I'm just going to solve for x. So I'm going to combine like terms, and I'm left with x is equaling 9. Keep in mind here, I'm asking what the length of a diagonal is, so I'm not going to stop here. I'm going to plug 9 into either one of those equations. I'm going to plug it in for SF. Again, it doesn't matter because the diagonals are congruent. 2 times 9 plus 15 will give me 33 units.